let's look at where the manufacturing year information will be printed on a tire. So if you look at this tire, here we have DOT. So DOT information, the last four digits, these corresponds to the manufacturing week and manufacturing year. So 25 means manufacturing year and 19 means the 19th week of the year 2025. So this particular tire was manufactured during that time. And here, as you can see, this is the information of a winter tire. So the snowflakes, if present on a tire, it means that it is a winter tire. Now apart from this, the other information that you will be looking at is the size information. Okay, so here if you see, this is 225. This indicates the width, and 65 indicates the aspect ratio, and 17 it indicates the diameter of the wheel. So this information you will require in order to buy new tires. This is the information of the dimensions. So this is width and this is the aspect ratio 65, and 17 is actually the diameter. Now I have shown you how you can find the manufacturing date or week and year of a tire, but sometimes if you see on another tire, the DOT information will be given for a few characters and there won't be the manufacturing week and the manufacturing year mentioned on the outside of the tire. So this indicates that the manufacturing week and information of the year of manufacturing will be present on the other side of this tire. So that is inner sidewall of this tire, and I'll show you that video. You can check that information when you buy new tires, and no need to worry if you cannot see the manufacturing week and year. You can confirm it from the inner sidewall of the tire. Okay, but please remember that when you get a new set of tires installed, make sure that the tires were not sitting for 5 years in the warehouse. Although it is a new tire that you purchase, the tire have already degraded its health by sitting idle for 5 years in a warehouse. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. So here on one side of the side wall, you see this is the dot information, but here the manufacturing week and the manufacturing year is missing. So let's see inside. So it's gonna be printed on the inside of the tire. So this is how I am checking the inside of the tire.